Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I did a gel overlay with Modelones Polygel Kit. Here we have the Modelones Polygel Kit all in one. Today I'll be using the soft pink color of the Modelones Polygel, also with the top coat and the base coat. You're going to need some alcohol. I use that as to spray on to get the dust off. And I also use some Mega Sparkle glitter. Alright guys, let's get started. Right here I'm just going to start off by filing the shine and filing my nail down to a good length. Just showing you a little bit of other nails I did already. I just saved my thumb for y'all. And you just want to get any other product off or anything. And now I'm going to take that spray alcohol and spray it on my nail and take my little brush and get the dust and excess off, as you see right here. And just showing you another view of the nails. Alright guys, then I'm going to take the base coat and apply that to the base of my nail for the polygel to have something to stick to. And I'm going to cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Alright, now that I have that cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply the polygel right onto the top of my nail. And now that I have the polygel applied to the top of my thumbnail, I'm going to take my slip solution, or you can use the white alcohol and your gel brush, and you're just going to pat that in place. I always start off at the cuticle first, and I know some people start off with the bed of the nail farther down around the sides. I just start off there and then I work it down and then I bring it back up just to make sure it's nice and smooth. And I just want to go ahead and get everything covered. So right here you just see me dipping my brush into the slip solution, dapping it on the paper towel, and applying a damp brush right onto the polygel to help it smooth out and get it to exactly where I want it. And now you see me checking both fingers. I know my other finger is kind of wonky, but that's how I'm going to be doing it. But just to get an idea, that's what I use the other thumbnail for. You just want to turn it to the side, like how you make sure that it's all even on every side, looking straight forward. You want to do it just like that. Okay, right here I'm going to be taking some of the slip solution in my gel brush and just getting against the side, making sure I don't have any polygel against the side, cleaning up the side walls, the cuticle area, and the C-curve spot, just to make sure it's nice and even before I cure it in my LED lamp. And when you cure the polygel, you're going to cure it for 30 seconds, not 30, 60 seconds, I'm sorry. And you just want to make sure the front is nice and smooth. And you see me brushing it down. And then this is where I was going to say that I bring it back up. Okay, and right here we're all cured. So I'm just applying some slip solution on top of the nail to remove the sticky layer. All gel does have a sticky layer, you just want to remove that. Now I'm just reshaping, cleaning up any product I have on the sides, taking my buffering block and doing the same thing, making sure we're all nice and even. Alright guys, so now that we're all done buffing the nail out, you're going to take your base coat And I just prefer to use the base coat just to get the glow in the dark powder to stick a little better. So you're going to take your base coat and just apply that to the nail. I did mine in a diagonal light swipe motion. You can do yours down the middle, to the left, to the right, just in a couple spots, and add the glitter or the powder, whichever you prefer, to your nail and do it just like that. Okay, and once you have the design or pattern that you wanted to do your design in, go ahead and cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds just to get a little tacky. Nope, I almost forgot to cure it. Just kidding. Now that it's cured, you're gonna apply right on top of there. I use just a little paintbrush I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just applied the powders on top. After curing it, I realized that I used a different color than I had on my other nail, so I just took the two colors and basically mixed them together and did it just like that. How the nail looks with the design of the glow in the dark powder at the tip right after it's been cured with nice beautiful glow. I'm just taking the hand file and freshening it up, smoothing out because it will leave a hump. So you just want to go ahead and smooth that out with your nail file or your buffer. I'm using a 100-180 nail file. And I'm just taking some spray alcohol, spraying that on there, and taking my little nail brush and wiping that off. Next, I'm going to use the top coat to give it that finishing shine. And then I'm going to cure that in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And here we have the finished look. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, and here's the look after our nails are done, glow in the dark. Please like, subscribe, and share.